Hi friends. Welcome to educatwork. In today's video, I will give you 6 questions as your first assignment, and you have to solve this. Following are the note, related to course certificate and submitting assignment. 1. You only get your Python certificate if you completed all your assignments and projects, which are given by educatwork. 2. You have to register to our Python course, the link is in description. 3. Solve you assignment problem and make a PDF file. 4. Email you assignment in our mail address which is written in description box. 5. And lastly, if you have any doubt regarding solving assignments, watch previous video. And then after you have problem, just ask me in comments. 6. Whoever can done assignments first and correctly, their name should be announced in Telegram channel, and also in YouTube comments. These are your assignment questions. Q1 Create a program that asks the users for his first name, middle name, and last name. Then print his full name. Q2 Calculate the area and perimeter of rectangle. Ask the users for length and breadth. Q3 Let's say your company has a product with the number 098-990090-00019. 098 is country code. 990,090 is product code. 3 times 019 is the batch number. Create a program to print country code, product code, batch number. Q4 Write a program of swap to number using third number and without using third number. Q5 Python program for temperature conversion. Q6 Create a program and store your age in a variable. Then ask a user for his age and whether he's older than you, he's younger than you, you have the same age. Hint, deusing operator. So friends, if you enjoy this video please like and share as much as you can, and subscribe our channel. Join our Telegram channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.